Starting an insurance agency can be a rewarding journey, and I'm here to help you understand how to make it happen. If you're ready to discuss the world of insurance, let's get started. First things first, you'll need a solid business plan. Think about what types of insurance you want to offer. Health? Auto? Maybe something niche like pet insurance? It's crucial to identify your target market and determine how you'll stand out from the competition. Next, let's talk about licensing. In the insurance world, you can't just hang up a sign and start selling policies. You'll need to get licensed in the state where you plan to operate. Process can vary, so check out what's required in your state. Remember, legalregistration.com is here to make things easier. Now consider the financial side of things. Starting out, you'll need enough capital to cover expenses like office space, marketing, and salaries if you're hiring staff. It's not a bad idea to have a financial advisor help you with this part. They can guide you on setting a budget and planning for the future. Another crucial step is understanding the legal structure of your agency. Decide whether you want to operate as a sole proprietorship, limited liability company, or corporation. Each structure comes with its own tax implications, liability protections, and operational requirements. Consulting with legal or business advisor can help you choose the best option for your agency. Building relationships is key in the insurance industry. Start by connecting with insurance carriers who can provide the products you'll sell. You'll want to negotiate contracts that give you competitive rates and stable commissions. Also, don't underestimate the power of networking with other agents and industry professionals. Marketing your insurance agency is crucial. Develop a strategy that includes both online and offline efforts. A user-friendly website and a strong social media presence can help you reach more clients. Think about hosting community events or workshops to educate people about the importance of insurance. Customer service can make or break your agency. Always strive to provide exceptional service. Listen to your clients, address their concerns, and ensure they feel valued. Happy clients are more likely to refer you to others, helping your business grow organically. Don't forget to stay informed about the industry. Regulations and market trends can change, so keep learning, attend industry conferences, join professional associations, and subscribe to insurance publications to stay ahead of the game. Before we wrap up, remember that legalregistration.com is here to assist you. Whether it's getting your licenses in order or helping you incorporate, they've got you covered. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for more information. That's it for today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for joining, and best of luck in starting your insurance agency.